We have a Mansory Phantom behind me. I can't remember the last time we did a white Phantom Mansory. And it has the right interior, full mandarin orange. Custom ordered spec for a client of ours. This car is perfection. You got the forged carbon fiber everywhere. Everything has been double epoxied and then clear coated on top of it. So you get a really, really smooth, clear finish. The Mansory Phantom kit comes with fenders and bumper because it has this crazy situation here with all these lights. Looks incredible at night, especially the front end of this car is all lit up, beautiful. You got the stars in the headlights after 2023 on this model, of course. Blacked out this entire car too, it had chrome all over it. Full blackout, the signature RDB, orange inside the slits, orange inside the slits of the Mansory grille as well. So you get that double orange exposure in the front. Looks incredible, obviously. You gotta have that when you have a colored interior. Emblems hand painted black and mandarin orange, perfection. Factory light up Spirit of Vexy right here to add to that craziness. Again, now we go up to the 24-inch forged Mansory wheels. This car is on low mode right now, so it's slammed, looks crazy. You got the full fenders right here, obviously color match, perfect. You got obviously the trims right here, the Mansory logo, hand painted emblem, and then we have this hand painted orange, mandarin orange pinstripe to follow the side with the Mansory logo, with the pulse we call it. So really, really cool touch to add to this. The pinstripe continues and it ends at the rear door. This is really the right way to do the Phantom. There's some that do it all the way. Customer preference, I like it this way. More blackout, door handles, forged carbon on the bottom, Mansory wheels. The back end has the roof spoiler, it has the trunk spoiler, the rear bumper, and more blackout in the back. The rear bumper is really cool because it has the forged carbon little vent right there, just for that little touch. We are waiting for interior components on this car. That's not arrived yet, but I'm just gonna show you guys the factory interior. Mandarin orange with black, gorgeous. I mean, this thing is absolutely crazy looking car. We're doing more Phantoms. We have a Tempest Gray we're working on. We have another black one coming in. We have a Mansory Cullinan we're gonna be doing up next. A lot of Mansory still, and then we have 3 more Venom Person ways we're building. We're building 2 right now, and we got another one that arrived actually. So yeah, a lot of builds still going on. We still have 2 crazy Revoltos to release. Man, we have 2 crazy crash cars here that we can't show you guys, sadly. They're both brand new cars. They're both probably the most sought after exotic cars out there right now, under $1 million. And they're both significantly crashed. We're gonna be fixing them. So we still do all that stuff on the side, as well as all these crazy builds. So anything you guys want for cars, we do it. We do it the right way, timely manner, good pricing, honest customer service. You know where to find it.
Drive Toyota Supra already, the new one?
No,
Drive a long time.
they're pretty fast.
Not like my motorcycle. Motorcycle? It's good.
Trade it, get a car, get a Supra.
Kawasaki. The Salvadorian. Me Kawasaki, bud. No jodas. Nobody has Kawasaki como la mía, puta. En otro proyecto más. Tenemos uno ya. Que ya está en And
Ready for
then
paint?
Almost prep for paint. Preparation right now, they're gonna do primers and then blocking, primer again, and then blocking again because it's gonna be like that. You know. Now I'm gonna start the other one, and I have another one after this. Please bring euros. Oh my God, this was car. I do the pa. Serio.
How do you know how to tape it off exactly where it's at already?
I check this line and I measure like 6 inches, 6 or 8 inches under. So this is the up and down.
We have an 86 560 SL. Mercedes.
1886?
Yeah. No, 1986 560 SL. Pretty cool car actually. As you guys can see, pretty fun. I haven't been in these in a while. You know, there's a saying with these old cars. They look good, they're fun, you remember your old times and you remember seeing these old cars on the streets. The problem is with these older cars, they're always at the shop. So no matter how good you fix it, no matter what you change, you're gonna visit the shop at least once or twice a month for, it could even be very costly repairs. So only cool thing is, you know, it gets attention. You know, you go back to the 80s, 90s and stuff like that, and that's about it. We are on a quick drive just to see if we feel anything that you cannot feel obviously when you're checking the car, because it's an old car. So it's here for inspection, mechanical inspections, and see what we feel, see what we find. There is an oil leak on this, we already saw. That's one. Number two, we're gonna check everything else, the lights, make sure everything works. Alignment on this car definitely needs one. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's going all the way to this side. Let's try to put the steering wheel straight. Let's see what happens to the car. We are gonna go to the school if we continue. Yeah. So we need an alignment for sure. Brake inspection, tires and stuff like that. But other than that, honestly, the drive feels good. And it's a beautiful day, so it pays off to me. Let's go for a ride. Let's see how this baby goes.
I got to be careful when it turns in.
Yeah, it's a car. Be careful when you turn. Never turn, just go straight.
I did it. I went left and right crazy. Nothing happened.
The youngins. We have this beautiful AMG, honestly. Sick ass Mercedes. Has MV forged wheels. We did spacers on this earlier in the month and made it look better, but this needed lowering as well. We ordered special order springs for it, and now it has been pretty much slammed. And honestly, with springs, you guys know, they settle and they go a little lower over time. But this thing is crazy looking car, honestly. For a Mercedes, this is something for a man. I think it's a really cool car, all black, murdered out, black wheels, slam. This is really sick. So, all my Mercedes fans, let us know what you think.
Daniel's son here. Daniel is going to leave. Yeah, so he's been with us for a long time. So our farewells to Mr. Daniel. Wish him luck. Good luck. He's going far away, and his last week is next week. So
Got a lot of tires to do between then and now.
he's got a lot of tires to do. Yeah, a lot of tires and
A lot of overnights.
a lot of overtime he needs to do, so he can we can catch up. So then, yeah. So we have this Urus here. This Urus was a pretty simple, basic fix, nothing crazy. Needed 2 new tires. The tires on this car, when you guys need tires, please make sure that you guys do it quickly, not until the metal things come out, stuff like that. You're gonna kill yourselves. Make sure you replace your tires a little bit sooner than that. Don't go down to 1 and 2 or 2:32 seconds or 3:32 seconds. Replace it much earlier than that to be safe. So that's what we did on this one. 2 brand new Redestein tires. Customers on the way to pick up. Tire pressure monitoring system has been reset as well, and we have no lights, no harm, no blood, no foul, baby. This car's ready to go.
Rivalto in factory matte white, but we are right now finishing up the hood. This is obviously the factory hood, but the Duke hood is inside the paint booth. Very, very hard color to match. Working on that right now, and we're leaving some exposed carbon, so adds to the difficulty of that. I'm very excited about this because I mean a true factory matte white Rivalto with matte carbon all over it. We're doing white wheels. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna lower it. It has a full exhaust. You're gonna see this car everywhere shortly. Very excited about it, but I'm gonna go back to work now.